Hello, flower lovers. Do you wish to have a beautiful flower garden at home without overspending? Today, I have creative flower gardening ideas for house that will totally change the way you conduct your home gardening. But first, picture this. You exit in the morning with a cup of coffee held aloft. Your front porch is adorned with breathtaking container flower arrangement, vivid hanging baskets, and aromatic herb flowers that have your neighbors marveling. Sounds too good to be true? Yes, let's do it together. Let me ask you all in comments below before we get going. What is your preferred bloom to grow inside your house? I would love to hear. Tip number 1. Cultivate a container flower garden everywhere. Container gardening is among the simplest methods for beginners to create flower gardens. For your home garden, you need simply pots, excellent garden soil, and seeds of your chosen flowers. You don't require a huge backyard. To get a rich tier appearance, group containers, geraniums, marigolds, petunias. Colorful plants can be used to create a bright performance. For patios or balconies, pots give one a good chance to unwind and be creative with vertical flower gardening. To get the most out of your room, try stacked tiers or hanging wall planters. Tip 2. Raise scent flowers for relaxation. Walk into the scents of lavender flowers, jasmine, and rose. Once you reach home is unlike anything else. These garden floral scents not only look great, but they also soothe your nerves following a day of dealing with trauma. Near the windows or entrance, plant them so you may sniff them as you walk past them. Tip number 3. For a vibrant, live garden. Grow sunflowers to draw bees and butterflies. Plant a colored theme flower garden. Choose a color plateau and stay within it if you need a coordinated appearance. Mix lavender with blue flowers and white hydrangeas for relaxation. Mix with yellow, orange, red tulips. One of the most popular current garden design trends, color theme beds provide excellent images as well. Just a brief question. Let me know which colors you would want to see in your garden by dropping a comment below. Tip 4. Low maintenance plants for simple flower gardening. Choose simple plants to cultivate if you are unfamiliar with gardening or short for time. With little attention, impatience, peonies, and cosmo flowers flourish and bloom for months. This is the secret to thriving home garden free of daily attention. Tip number 5. Edible flower planting. Why not also raise tasty flowers that are brilliant? Marigolds and violets can decorate salads and desserts. To surprise your visitors, it's among the most innovative gardening techniques. Planting in accordance with the seasons is tip 6. Arrange your flower bed for the year that something is constantly in bloom. Start with the year with a spring flower bulbs, summer bloomers, sustain the flow. Chrysanthemums and asters maintain the later on-year momentum. This technique never causes your yard to seem isolated. Tip 7. Maximize your vertical space. No space, no issue. Flower garden vertically with suspending basket, trellis or pallet. Planters off walls and fences. Morning glories, booms are vines that offer any small area the mood of a cozy garden as well as a complete backdrop. Tip 8. Borders of DIY flowers. Border your flower beds with a stunning flower border. Divide your space with grass or little roses. A flower border adds elegance and warmth to any backyard gardens. Tell me in the comments before you leave which of these flower gardening ideas you will attempt first. Subscribe, ring the bell if you appreciate these ideas so you won't miss more current gardening tips. We have lots of ideas up our sleeve, including floral arrangement, organic flower garden, and patio flower gardens. Thank you very much for watching, and understand every garden starts with one seed and one little bit of inspiration. Happy seeding!